How can you take notes while reading an ebook on the iPad? Let me show you how it could work. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, if you're using the Apple Books app, you can take notes directly within the book application because you can hold down on some text like this, right? Select like a passage or a sentence, whatever, and you can highlight it, but also click on add a note and you add a note specifically to that text, right? So if something resonates with you or you want to mark down some thoughts for that particular passage, this is where you can add it. And the next time you come back to the book, you'll be able to see the note being here. So that's a good enough approach, but it may not be the most practical thing ever. However, through the multitasking features, we have the ability to open more apps at the same time. So make sure you go to the settings, tap on multitasking and gestures, and ensure that you are not on the full screen apps only, and that you are on the windowed apps at least. So that means that I can go to my books, I'm reading my book, whatever, and I'm going to grab the bottom right corner to make the window smaller like that, right? So I'm still able to see all of the text and scroll through and everything, but outside of the book, I also open up my Notes app. It may be any note-taking application. It doesn't have to be the one from Apple, right? But whatever, you make it go full screen. Then when you also make it smaller, so you turn it into a smaller window and you position the windows on the page in a way that you can both read the book as well as take notes. So as I say, you might use different apps for book reading and the different apps for taking notes, but at the end of the day, this is how it just puts it all together. Right? So this is how it kind of works. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Let me know your thoughts below in case you want to share, whatever. Hit the thumbs up and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well. So I really appreciate your support and I'll see you later.